Christmas present. I think Maverick likes his. Do you like your Christmas present, Maverick? He's a good boy.
I haven't opened my presents yet.
Angry Birds.
Her presents yet. And there's still one more big one I saw under the tree that we all have to open.
Alright, Matt's gonna open this one.
This
Nathan, stay back here with me.
one. Help me.
Matt, no, please.
Okay. Sit more. It's cold. Is it? T-shirt?
No, just Matt, please.
That's just what you wanted. Watch.
I know.
Alright.
Oh, that's the wrong one. All that build up and drama. Never mind, that was the wrong one.
You know I love these.
Well, yeah.
Let me see. I want to see.
Turn around for the camera. Aw, look how cute.
It says family, where life begins and love never ends.
Alright, this was the one I meant. Oh, take two.
Cold is loving us.
He's decided to get the camera. Someone was watching.
You didn't. Oh, girl.
100 and something.
Luke.
Daddy knows, but still, you shouldn't have. Oh.
And look at Cowboy.
Oh, I know. What's going on right now?
Even though they lost yesterday, so.
Sorry, that fan is a fan.
Yay,
And
that's
you got
good.
Cowboy
Yeah,
You
that fits real good.
big.
Dude, that's black. Nobody has black jerseys. Nobody but me. Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That fits really good, doesn't it?
It does.
Yeah, I want to see the queen open some presents.